So let's discuss eBay with Borders, episode 3 that was actually released today, kumhlaka 6 November 2023. Let's go. So this is what actually happened. Bosisi, uVuvu, uMalibongwe, uNandi, noZezithu, they actually got a chance namhlanje to pick out of the whole bunch of these guys ngoba bese Nigeria pick 2 abazohamba nayo kuma dates. So these are the guys ababone ukuthi they're actually good candidates or babachazile from the last time they met up. And the most interesting dates in all of them, right? Now, if we have seen the previous episode, bafethu, hayi, uKingsley uyazifela ngoZezithu. Hayi ndaba yokudlala. Like this guy actually took out a ring, wayifaka, like some sort of a promise ring. He had this big gesture, these big words, and all of that. It's a khombisa ukuthi uyayithanda vele ntombazana yezwa. Ujida lo. But here's the thing, it's not just there futhi nakhona, like uyamfila ngempela, yabo. And the thing is this, bafethu, there's a thin line between uthando and obsession. And right now, Umchita, he's skating on thin ice, yabo. So uZezithu actually picked Stanley to go on a date with him. Wabuye pika no Peter. Peter is the guy who actually reminded her ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi birthday yakho kanje manje nosemnikeza gift. Kanti at that time nakhona uKingsley wayizwe le conversation waselethe gift naye sengathi naye it's a grand gesture. So yeah, man. That is what actually happened. Kule date here, Kingsley noZezithu, be interesting. Bezibuya, ndaba yokudlala. The kiss, I'm doing a baby kiss and then Peter bamshaya nge full-blown French kiss in Nigeria phakathi mfethu. Uze washo bafethu uZezithu ukuthi yazini izinga sekuthe ukunyuka ngempela manje uyabona ukuthi uPeter is the one. Why? Because he's taking everything calmly with Peter. Alright, fine. Unakho lokho flirting about not, but she's very calm. Uyabona ubeyadeza ngamandla uKingsley. Kanti la ubhuti lo Peter kuZezithu is just calm. It's just doing everything nicely. And that's how it should be done. Hayi uthi uPhape, I can't wait to have baby with you. I can't wait to do this with you. Hayi bo mfethu. Hey, enye into that came to light on the show is how osisi madoda bala bayayifuna inyuka indaba yokudlala. Bafuna la imali. It's not just about ukuthi you want a potential partner ngaba nempilo naye, but you are also looking for security. I know some other people out there are going to be like, bathanda imali. No. If you want to secure your future, so what? So be it. If that's what you came to the show for, this is what you are going to get. Yeah, but and then there's a whole lot of distance because obviously the name of the show is Bay with Borders. So Nigeria, osisibale South Africa, asazi zoma kanjani le nto. Now on other dates, bekade sharp nganalutho but yabona le kaZezithu bekade right. uVuvu went out on a date as well. It was okay. uNandi went out on a date. Bekade kufanele aye no Daniel C wangaya naye ngoba yade gula, and then she had to replace Daniel C with another person. So like ama dates were okay. I think right now if focus ikuZezithu, Stanley, beno Peter. How is it gonna go? We do not know. So that's it for this week Bay with Borders. Sesizobona kahle next week ukuthi ke qhubeka kanjani, because again kusaqhubeka nale experiment ukuthi ubani uzosona nobani makunjani kanjani. Yo, azokamnandi. Please do not forget to subscribe. Ngibonga kakhulu and thank you so much for the time and the opportunity.